property, and we're also going to go Concord, Charlotte area. So we have two to test out. This one's just a normal green. It is double-sided. It's just two colors, it's green and the white chloroplast. And then we have another design that we're testing out, which is this one here, has a cartoon on it. So basically they're both double-sided. One has a cartoon with one number, the other one has a regular number, so we can test how good they do. And then here's the H stick. When you put in an H stick inside of the sign, it kind of looks like this here. And then you can stick it in the ground a lot easier. This here is a smaller sign, so we can reach more areas, put them up on poles, get higher, so they don't get torn down. And we also have, which is kind of cool here, we have some vehicle magnets that we're going to be putting on the work truck so that they can see us as we drive around.